Aseptic fill finish and lyophilization. In the pharmaceutical industry, aseptic fill finish and lyophilization play a vital role in delivering sterile, stable, and effective drug products. These processes are critical for ensuring that injectable medications, biologics, and vaccines maintain their safety, potency, and shelf life. By combining precise aseptic techniques with advanced freeze-drying methods, manufacturers can meet stringent quality and regulatory requirements. Aseptic fill finish refers to the precise filling of sterile drugs into sterile containers without contamination. Lyophilization, also known as freeze-drying, is used to remove water from sensitive drugs, preserving their structure and activity. Together, these processes are essential for temperature-sensitive biologics, antibiotics, and other high-value therapeutics. This combination is not just a manufacturing choice, it is a necessity for products requiring extended shelf life and stable formulation. From optimizing the primary drying phase to ensuring compliance with GMP requirements for freeze-drying, these processes demand advanced equipment, skilled personnel, and strict quality controls. What is aseptic fill finish? Aseptic fill finish is the final step in sterile drug manufacturing before packaging and distribution. In this stage, sterile drugs are filled into vials, ampoules, or pre-filled syringes. Containers are sealed to prevent contamination. Operations are performed inside controlled cleanrooms or isolators. Following GMP guidelines, read more on GMP requirements for freeze-drying. Aseptic filling requires rigorous environmental monitoring, validated equipment, and trained personnel. Understanding lyophilization in pharmaceuticals. Lyophilization is the process of freeze-drying drugs to extend stability. It involves freezing the drug product to solidify water content. Primary drying, sublimation, to remove frozen water as vapor under low pressure. Learn about primary drying phase optimization. Secondary drying to eliminate residual moisture. This process helps preserve drug potency and allows for room temperature storage. Benefits of combining aseptic, fill finish, and lyophilization: extended shelf life. Lyophilized drugs can be stored for years without losing stability. Enhanced sterility. Aseptic processing ensures no microbial contamination. Regulatory compliance. Both processes are aligned with FDA, EMA, and WHO requirements. Challenges in aseptic fill finish and lyophilization: sealing and sterility risks. Improper sealing can compromise sterility. Learn how sealing defects affect drug safety. Vial appearance defects. Issues like fogging, meltback, or particular contamination can occur. See vial defect guide. Moisture and temperature control. Incorrect freeze-drying parameters can lead to product degradation. Best practices for successful fill finish and lyophilization: optimize freeze-drying cycles. Use validated cycles with controlled chamber pressure guide. Strict cleanroom protocols. Minimize human intervention and follow validated SOPs. Defect prevention and quality assurance. Perform batch inspections before release. See inspection checklist. Conclusion: aseptic fill finish and lyophilization are indispensable in modern pharmaceutical manufacturing. They ensure that drugs are not only sterile, but also stable over long storage periods. By implementing robust GMP practices, monitoring process parameters, and preventing defects, manufacturers can deliver high-quality, life-saving medications to patients worldwide. FAQs. Kwang, what is the main purpose of aseptic fill finish? It ensures sterile drug products are filled into containers without contamination. Q2. Why is lyophilization important in pharmaceuticals? It extends the shelf life and maintains the potency of sensitive drugs. Q3. Can all drugs be lyophilized? No, only those stable after freeze, drying, and reconstitution. Q4. What are common lyophilization defects? Meltback, fogging, and vial cracks are common issues. Q5. How is sterility maintained during filling? Through cleanroom controls, isolators, and validated aseptic procedures. Q6. What is primary drying in lyophilization? The stage where frozen water is removed via sublimation. Q7. How to avoid sealing defects? By using validated stoppering equipment and sealing procedures. Q8. What GMP guidelines apply to aseptic filling? FDA 21, CFR Part 211, and EU GMP Annex 1 are key references. Q9. Can lyophilized products be stored at room temperature? Yes, if processed correctly with low residual moisture. Q10. How does chamber pressure affect freeze drying? Incorrect pressure can lead to incomplete drying or product collapse.